If you want to edit and remove a green screen in CapCut PC, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it, step by step. Whether you're making YouTube videos, gaming edits, talking head clips, or social media content, CapCut makes Chroma Key editing surprisingly easy once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Once it loads, import both of your files, your green screen footage and the background video or image you want to place behind it. You can usually do this by dragging the files into CapCut or by using the import button, depending on your setup. After both files are in, drag them down into the timeline. Now this part is important. Make sure your background media goes on the lowest track, and then place your green screen clip directly above it on a higher track. CapCut reads the layers from bottom to top, so if your clips are in the wrong order, the effect won't look right. Once your clips are arranged properly, click on the green screen clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. With that clip highlighted, look over to the right side editing panel. Go to the Video tab and then find the Remove BG option, or in some versions it may be labeled Cutout. Inside that section, toggle on Chroma Key. This is the tool that removes the green background and reveals whatever is underneath your subject. Next, click the eyedropper icon, which is the color picker. Then click directly on the green part of your footage in the preview window. CapCut will sample that color and automatically start removing it from the clip. If the green screen is clean, you'll usually see the background disappear right away and your subject remain visible on top of the layer below. After that, take a moment to fine-tune the result. If the edges still look rough or you see leftover green around your subject, adjust the similarity and strength settings if they appear in your version of CapCut. These sliders help you clean up the key and make the cutout blend more naturally. If you need to, you can also reposition or resize the background clip so the scene looks balanced and matches your subject better. This is especially useful if you're adding a moving video background instead of a still image. If the subject looks too sharp or the edges feel unnatural, zoom in and check the border area carefully. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in how professional the final edit looks. Once you're happy with everything, play the timeline back and preview the final result. Make sure the green screen is fully removed, the subject is centered correctly, and the background looks natural behind it. When everything looks good, you can export your project and save the finished video to your computer. So, that's how to edit and remove a green screen on CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.